Are you a work-at-home mom who needs to set up some systems before you start your maternity leave? That's what this whole video is about, and I'm excited to dive in with you. Hey there, fellow work-at-home moms. Today, I'm super excited to chat with you about something that's near and dear to my heart, setting up systems for temporary leave. Whether you're gearing up for maternity leave or just need a well-deserved break, having solid systems in place can make all the difference. So, grab a cup of tea, cozy up, and let's dive in. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need systems? Well, let me tell you, having systems in place ensures that your business or work continues to run smoothly, even when you're away. It's like having a trusty co-pilot to keep things on track while you're taking care of yourself and your little one. I'm going to include some action steps in these videos, so right now I want you to take some time to reflect on the importance of setting up systems and how it can benefit you during your temporary leave. The first step in setting up systems is to identify your key tasks and responsibilities. What are the must-dos that keep your business or work humming along? Jot them down and you can prioritize like a boss. Your action step here is to make a list of your essential tasks and responsibilities, then prioritize them based on urgency and importance. Next up, don't be afraid to delegate or outsource tasks. You may get called a superhero, but even superheroes need backup sometimes. Whether it's hiring a virtual assistant or tapping into your support network, sharing the load can free up valuable time and brain space. Goodness knows we need that. Your action step here is to identify tasks that can be delegated or outsourced and start exploring options for getting support. Technology, our trusty sidekick in the quest for efficiency. There are tons of tools and resources out there that you can use to streamline your workflows. From project management platforms like Trello or Asana to scheduling apps like Calendly, find what works for you and watch your productivity soar. Your action step here is to research and test out different productivity tools to find the ones that best suit your needs and your workflows. Have you ever heard of SOPs? It stands for Standard Operating Procedures. They're like your business's playbook, a step-by-step guide for handling routine tasks and processes. Take some time to document your SOPs and you will thank yourself later when everything runs like clockwork, even in your absence. Your action step here is to start creating SOPs for your most common tasks and processes, breaking them down into clear, actionable steps. I promise this is going to be great, especially because you can still use it later on down the road as well. Last but certainly not least, communication is key. Be upfront with your clients, collaborators, or team members about your upcoming leave, set clear expectations, communicate any changes to workflows or timelines, and assure them that they are in capable hands, even if it's their own hands. Your action step here is to schedule a meeting or send out a message to your clients or team members to discuss your upcoming leave and any necessary adjustments to workflows or timelines. Before you officially sign off, don't forget to do a test run of your systems. Take a mini break or simulate your leave to see how everything holds up. And remember, it's okay to tweak and adjust as needed. Flexibility is key as a work-at-home mom. Your action step here is to schedule a trial period where you step back from work for a short time to test your systems and make any necessary adjustments. This is a great place to schedule a baby moon. All right, there you have it, your crash course in setting up systems for temporary leave. With a little planning and some nifty tools, you can enjoy your time off knowing that your business or work is in good hands. So go ahead, mama, take that break. You've earned it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the rest of the videos in this series, all focused on preparing for maternity leave as a work-at-home mom. And hey, if you have any questions or you want to share your own tips, drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and keep rocking it as the amazing work-at-home mom that you are. Catch you later.